Holy oh hell, boys, let me tell you, I've gotten a lot of grief on a particular Makita video I did in the past, but something this good I have to share. It is that freaking awesome. So, I have used plenty of multi-tools before. I've used, Dremel and the other brands and that sort of thing. This, by far, is the best one, period. Now, a couple things I want to talk to you first. Just we get straight into things, no fluff or history of multi-tools or any of that sort of junk. I don't care. Basically, this one is the best, straight up easiest to use, and also the least amount of vibration, and also the quietest. Listen to how, this is full volume, okay, I'm not touching the volume, but listen how quiet this is. You can hear me very easily over this thing. This thing, I think I did it on my test, maybe 65. It's well below conversation level. You can have a conversation next to somebody when you are using this thing. That's how good it is. The other thing is, it's got a light on the front. Now, Makita sells another one of these for like $50 or so. This one's $200. This one ain't cheap, but you do get a light on the front. You do get a very quiet motor, and this thing cuts very well. So let's just talk about it real quick. You got a speed adjuster here, goes to 6. That's the way the Japanese do it. I don't know why they metric system, but for some reason, all their tools go to 6. That said, 18-volt battery, takes these Star Lock style bits. Let me show you what that's all about here. So basically, you unlock it. See if I can do it with one hand here. So basically, you unlock it. Like, no. Oh, I got to do 2 hands. Hold on. All right, had to bust out reliable old righty here. So, unlocked. Okay, you're unlocked. Pull the pin, and then what you've got here is you've got your Star Lock, Star Plus, and Star Max, and basically it's these sort of bits, and they're pretty good. They don't slip a whole lot, but you can index them, and then again, depending on which one you've got, they're the same to me as far as I'm concerned. But what I found though is these Bosch bits work a lot better than the actual Makita bits. But to change one out, very simple. You put your pin back in on the top, then lock her back in. Try not to cut yourself in the process, and away you go. Let's see how she works with a real piece of wood. All right, got myself a quarter piece of maple, so this is pretty hard. This will give it a pretty good test, what it does. But here we go. So let's put down the aiming fluid there. Give her a whirl. Here we go. I'd say that's pretty good. Let's take a peek. That is a clean cut. That was quick too, and this is maple. This is this ain't plywood or any MDF. That's soft crap. This stuff's pretty dang hard, so she cuts pretty good. That said, can't recommend this bad boy enough. This Makita right here, can't say good enough things about it. It's fantastic, it's quiet, it's got yourself a little light on the front, which has been very helpful already in the half dozen times I've used it. But this is my review of this thing. Can't say enough good things. Best multi-tool on the market, hands down. Corded or uncorded, that is the honest truth from what I've used. So I'll leave a link down below if you want one. But let me tell you, Makita, hit a home run with this guy.